Hello? Yeah, I'm on my way right now. I'm just waiting for a bike. Don't worry, I'm close by, You will see me right now. Okay, thank you. Where's this bike now? Oh, what's the time?
My dear, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh my God, you look good. You are so beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Hey, where are you going to?
As a matter of fact, I've been waiting for bike close to 1 hour now.
Bike?
Yeah.
Ha! It's like you are new in this area. You don't know me. I'm here, you are looking for a bike. I said it. Because there's nobody that does not know me in this area. I'm a good Samaritan.
Oh, thank you.
I am the one that used to help people that cannot help themselves. Put it on my head.
Oh, I should.
Put it on my head. Huh?
Okay, let's...
I hope you can carry it. Put this one first. When I put the other one.
I hope it won't fall.
No,
Should I help you with this?
No. Nobody used to touch this one. Huh?
Wow.
It's my own.
Thank you.
No problem.
Okay, let's go through this
You
way.
just be in front. So
Thank you so much, sir.
No problem.
Thank you.
This place.
No, just over to this place. Yeah. Thank you.
No problem, my dear. You don't know me.
I know, sir. Yeah. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Oh, thank you for also paying for me.
No.
Thank you so much. Oh, it's over here.
Yeah?
Oh, Ma, hello. Hi.
You think so you're wise?
I brought the goods you ordered. Thank you. And also,
Lord.
this man is such an angel. He helped me. He also ordered. He paid for it.
Man,
Price
know
of what you
thyself.
paid.
You don't know yourself.
Thank you. Can you please tell him thank you for me? Thank you so much.
Did you keep quiet?
Do you know he's my husband?
Your husband?
Yes.
I didn't know. Sorry.
It's
But
okay.
you didn't tell me.
Don't worry. I can take it from here.
Now we
For this shop.
every time I'm so